Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, guess what? I wholeheartedly welcome you to Eat to Live Strong. We're in 2021. There's a lot of great things going on. Today I'm here to show you how I make my green lemonade. Yummy. And it is healthy for you. It's all greens and lemon and ginger. But I will have the recipe to this tasty lemonade, green lemonade, in the description box. So hang in there, guys. Let's get started because I have lemons to squeeze. I have ginger to peel. And I have kale, celery, spinach, coconut water, honey, and Granny Smith apples. So here we go. Let's get started by putting the cocoa water in. I've got 2 cups of cocoa water. Then we're going to go ahead and put in the spinach. This is about a cup of spinach. You know, the more green, the better. If you remember from my video, you're gonna put like the liquids in the bottom, and now we're gonna put in the greenery. So we have, again, that was the spinach. I'm gonna go ahead and throw in some chopped celery. See, you got celery. And then we're gonna go ahead and put some kale in here. Look at this. Look at this beautiful leaves of kale. We're gonna have 2 of these. We're gonna put that in the Vitamix. There's that, 2 leaves of kale in the blender. And I added a teaspoon of honey, just for a little bit of sweetness. And then of course, we've gotta have some ginger. It says about a thumb size of ginger. I love ginger, so I'll probably put more. Now you're gonna take 2 apples, you're gonna make them in quarters. Stem and all, doesn't matter, the Vitamixer will chop it up. And then I have 1 lemon, 1.5 lemons, because I love the tanginess of the lemon. I'm gonna juice that into the juicer. Some people put the lemon peel in there. I don't particularly like that. So we're gonna get all this mixed up in the blender. I'm gonna start chopping this in the blender. Apples on the top. This green lemonade going. And now we're just gonna watch this baby churn. This baby is ready. I'll see you at the table. Hey y'all, it's your girl over at Eat to Live Strong. I am so happy to be back. I had an MS moment, but you know your girl. I have MS, but MS don't have me. I fought my way back through it. That's that warrior in me. So guys, today I want to talk to you about my delicious mean green lemonade. That's right, it's mean green lemonade and it quenches your thirst. Tasty, tastes just like lemonade. So the ingredients is in the description box. So make sure you give it a try and don't judge that color green. People take too much time spending their thoughts about something that's a different color, like guacamole. I don't like guacamole, I don't like that color. It's just a color. And as a matter of fact, avocado doesn't even have a taste. It's all of the seasonings, guys. I talk about that on all my cooking videos. If you're becoming vegan, it's all in the seasoning, boo. So we're gonna go ahead and talk about this green lemonade. The green lemonade that has value, has benefits that is beyond measures when it comes to your health. When you are trying to love yourself to health and fitness, yes, I didn't forget. So the green lemonade has apples. Number 1, an apple a day keeps the doctor what away. And I make sure that I use Granny Smith apples because I love that kick. So the Granny Smith apples is what I use, but you can use whatever apple you like. I also use celery. Celery is good for your heart and your blood pressure, and it helps you lose weight. Then I have kale and spinach, which is good roughage. and it also helps with your iron. So that's the kale. And then we have coconut water, cocoa water. And the coconut water is another good thing. It has benefits, such as like coconut oil has benefits. This doesn't have coconut oil, it has the cocoa water, which is good for you. And lemon, can't forget lemon, it's green lemonade. So the lemon helps you lose weight, and it also chops away at those things that's in your body that's just floating around and act like they don't know where they're supposed to go. The lemon helps take care of that. So lemon, I use fresh lemon to make juice and put it in the Vitamixer. I throw the whole apple in there too. I don't divide it because the Vitamix are gonna chomp it up. So the one other thing that I cannot and I will not forget is ginger. Ginger has so many health benefits, guys. If you don't remember anything else, just remember ginger, and it says sister turmeric, but this doesn't have turmeric in it because the color would be what? Orange. No, it's all green. It's all about the ginger. Ginger is a fighter of cancer and many other diseases. It's a fighting agent. So make sure you get that ginger in your body, whether it's ginger tea, ginger in your vegetables are really good. And then of course that green lemonade. So with that being said, those are the ingredients that's in the green lemonade. You can actually add other vegetables in there, which is a question I'm gonna pose to you guys to put in the comment section. What other vegetables would you put in the green lemonade? Now, I've known people to put a head of green leaf lettuce or a head of lettuce in there. My sister puts collard greens or turnip greens. That's right, not cooked, raw. It's all about raw, guys. She puts collard greens and turnip greens in her juices. Now me, I can't hardly get past that spot about the collard greens being in the juice because I'm looking for it on my table with some onions and some cornbread. So I have not tried it with collard greens or turnip greens, and I might try it. But some people have tried other things. Now you can use this as a detox. And if you're using it as a detox, remember you can put cucumbers in there or dandelion leaves. Really, really good for detoxing. So that's about it with this tasty quencher, the green lemonade. Don't let the color get you down. Just like people talking about they don't like the green color, but in March when y'all go celebrate that holiday, when they turn everything green, the beer and everything is green, there's no difference, none at all, because again, avocado doesn't even have a taste. It's all in your seasoning, baby, all in the seasoning. So that should take care of us with the green lemonade. It is tasty, it's healthy for you. Love yourself to health and fitness. So if you find yourself that you're still not able to get your vegetables in, guess what, guys? Come see me. I'm your Juice Place representative. That link is in the description box too. So do me a favor. I need you to answer 3 questions for me into the comment box. Have you tried green lemonade? If you have not, will you try green lemonade? And what other vegetable would you put in your green lemonade? That's about it. So be sure to review the full video. Leave me a genuine comment about this video. And then thumbs me up and share me out, because sharing is caring. And if you're not a friend of mine on this YouTube channel, please be sure to go down below somewhere down there and subscribe to my channel. But don't you dare forget to go next door and click that notification bell so that you can be notified of my videos when they are uploaded. I want to thank you again for joining me today. Stay tuned for Wednesday because I got another great recipe for you. See you next time. Love you long time. Bye-bye now.